Why can do anything? People can drink
Yeah,
lassi
I know.
also at 6.
It's 4 p.m. Curfew time, so obviously you can start drinking right now also.
Yeah. Why? Oh, Bombay में 4 p.m. curfew है?
Yeah, yeah. 4 p.m. curfew. Even in Pune, I'm in Pune right now.
अच्छा, oh, okay.
So I've come to
अच्छा,
my house.
नगर,
Huh?
अहमदनगर.
Ahmednagar? What Ahmednagar? No, Pune.
नहीं नहीं, पुणे तो यू अहमदनगर आगे या पीछे कुछ आगे है, I think.
उसके आगे है, पुणे के आगे है.
Yeah, so over there's a lot of army thing that keeps going on.
Oh, is it? Okay. Ahmednagar और
Yeah,
औरंगाबाद?
no, अहमदनगर.
वो तो पुणे में भी बहुत आर्मी थे ना एनडीए पे.
Yeah, वो तो NDA में.
Okay. Anyway, coming back to our Yaria topics. So we are here. Basically, I just want to tell you, Neeti, that last time I was live, couple of weeks back when I was in US, a lot of people actually asked me, and I was very apologetic when I didn't know what was on 21st because they were like, "Come live on 21st, come live on 21st." I'm like, "मैं क्यों आऊँ? मुझे नहीं आना." So then they said, no, it's Yaria's this thing and ye and wo. And then it will be great if you could come with Neeti. So I said, okay, fine. You know what? I'll talk to her and we'll come. So yeah, here we are. That's just letting you know because I couldn't tell you properly why did I choose this. And this is the least I could do for people. And let me tell you, last time when they asked me that, are you guys coming up with season 4 and all, I finally had an answer, by the way, for that.
Oh, you did? I also want to know.
Yeah. So the answer. So meanwhile, everyone's saying your video is still blur. Okay.
So should I just cut
letting.
and you'll accept my request again?
Yeah, sure. I'll do that.
Yeah. Okay, ठीक है.
Okay, Neeti's network is bad, so she's trying to call me back again. So let's see if we could connect it again properly. I thought my network was bad, so I was not able to see her properly. Okay, am I getting her? Thank you so much, Parvati Devnath. Thank you, Parvati. Hi, Divya Verma. Hey. Hi, Geeta. Kishwar Merchant. Hi, beta. Congratulations for 7 years. Thank you, Kishwar. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you too. It's been, I mean, so much has happened in these 7 years. I'm sure for you as well. And congratulations on that. And I shall catch up with you very soon. Okay, Neeti is telling me she's back, but I can't. Okay, let me see where I can. How do I add her? Yes, much better.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Yeah, much better now. It's clear. Almost. I mean, almost there. So I think from 2G you've come to 3G. Soon you'll be on 4G. Neet is back, yes. Okay, so to answer your question, which I told you, I mean, to answer everyone's question, okay, why aren't we coming back with season 4? Apparently, I discussed this with a couple of writers, and I tell you later on with whom. But they, in fact, told me, okay, Parth, it's kind of pointless to make season 4 because we have explored so much and we have given a proper ending to especially Manik and Nandini, Manan. They like shown the proper ending where they're showcasing their marriage or their wedding or whatever, they're dressed up in that. So it's more or less it's that only. Now what else to explore? So their question was to me in season 4, what else could we do? I mean, you could see Friends, for that matter. You could see Friends with a proper ending over there where couples are getting married and everything, and that is the end, season 10. So simultaneously, what else could the show? So I was asking the audience, what else do you want to see of Manik and Nandini after marriage? I'm sure you guys won't be interested in watching how Manik and Nandini are taking care of the kids or taking them out for groceries or school, or what is the issue? There is no issue at all. So, and of course, Manika and Nandini showing as proper husband wives, and then there is a third person coming in their lives. I don't think that will be a kaisi hai yaar ye. That will be a proper family show. What do you
Yeah.
think of that? Obviously,
Yeah.
that won't be a kaisi hai yaar ye, because kaisi hai yaar ye was all about college, and once you lose out of that college charm, it's gone. So that was my answer basically, and people were like, people understood it, in fact, and they kind of understood the reasoning behind it. And in fact, I even told them that if you want, literally, you still want it, you could actually connect with those people, the writers and the content creators, and then we will be glad to do so. है ना? What do you think about it?
I've always said that. Please don't ask us कि कब आएगा. We also
Correct.
don't. We're just the actors. We'll just say yes or no, but we will say yes. But yeah.
और अगर इतना ही आपको बनाना है तो हमारे अकाउंट में आप पैसे डाल दो, हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं खुद.
And we'll make it however you guys want it.
Yeah, we'll make it however you guys want it.
Yeah.
फैन डिमांड के ऊपर हम स्क्रिप्ट लिखेंगे.
हाँ. So how's Pune weather?
Pune weather is lovely. I mean, at least it's better than Bombay, because Bombay has been raining and pouring like cats and dogs. Over here, it's much better, and but all the more it's cloudy all day. But it's okay, manageable.
But is it
But-
chip like Bombay humidity?
No, not at all. It's dry. It's like Delhi.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
so bad.
How is Ahmedabad? Came cho.
Jama
Jawa.
Who Gujarati chu, you know na?
Yeah, I know. Even your husband is?
No, he's Punjabi.
अच्छा, he's Punjabi. Okay, nice.
हाँ.
तो ये कौन सी मैट्रिमोनी साइट पे आप लोग मिले?
साइट में नहीं थे, हम बचपन में मिले थे. उनकी मॉम वाज माय क्लास टीचर.
तब तुम 150 साल पहले मिली थी उससे.
हाँ, एकदम. I still
Because
look
you
the
haven't
same.
grown. Yeah, that's what.
I think
Nice.
I can ask us some questions because we're here and this is what you all wanted. So you can ask us questions and we'll be happy.
No, I know what questions they will ask. They'll ask if we want season 4. When is season 4 coming?
तो वो अवॉइड कर लेंगे ना, because आंसर तो दे दिया.
अभी अगर पूछें तो मैं बोलूंगा कल शाम को 6:30 बजे आ जाएगा सीजन. ताजा फ्रेश ले लेना. ठीक है.
Repeat any dialogue of Manik and Nandini.
Repeat any? Yeah, I think we should do that, but unfortunately I don't know anything. So if you could just.
I just know Ayyappa.
Ayyappa, wow, that's a very long dialogue.
That's a very long dialogue.
Yeah. So even I know. Someone actually reminded me. Harshad.
He's married or he's got engaged na, Abhishek?
Who?
हाँ,
Really?
हाँ. I think शादी हो गई. मैंने congratulations भी लिखा था. पता नहीं.
अच्छा, शादी भी तुम्हारी तरह secretly.
Next time Instagram शादी होती है. आ जाना.
सब लोग secretly करते हैं यहाँ पर. मतलब यार ये भी सही है.
अच्छा,
So हाँ, so I want to know,
हाँ?
who are you in touch with from Kaisi area? Because it's been 7 years. It's been a long journey. Are you in touch with anyone?
I think only with you and Krisan वैसे.
Krisan.
Like, हाँ.
What about Karan?
Yeah. But not
Oh,
like
you
on
forgot.
and off. Like on and off. We like check on each other. That's it.
हाँ, तो हम भी तो on and off ही है. हम कौन सा
हाँ,
check everyday? अहमदाबाद कैसा है? पुणे कैसा है? बताओ जरा, वहाँ पे तापमान कैसा है? खाना खाया क्या तुमने आज?
क्या खाया? मैंने beans खाए.
वही. क्या गुजराती में और क्या मिलेगा यार? खा छोड़ो आप, रहने दो. No, I've never liked. I'm not fond of Gujarati food.
Even I don't like Gujarati. I don't like meetha khana only.
Yeah, it's too sweet.
Yeah. I'm just naam ki Gujarati. Otherwise, no.
So work-wise, anything interesting, anything that you are up to or planning?
Lockdown starts, yaar. It's just really. वो होता ना कि somebody who has bad luck and bad kismat, that's me. Yeah.
नहीं, बहुत लोगों का है. बहुत लोगों का है.
Something happens, either I get dengue, either something happens, something or the other is always happening. Like
तो कुछ हो रहा है अभी, कुछ होने वाला है आगे जाकर? Anything in future?
I am coming back to Bombay in September, so I'm super excited. Like finally,
Okay.
it's been a while.
So anything. Give us some clue. Fans are really excited. Nation wants to know.
Let it happen, yaar. I'm telling you, my thing is so bad right now that even if I say something, अभी वो क्या बोलते हैं, मैं शनि बहुत गंदा चल रहा है यार.
अभी बस वो लोग रुके हुए. नीति ने जैसे मुंह से बोला, अच्छा टीवी शो कैंसिल कर दो. उसने बोल दिया कैंसिल कर दो.
Shani is very bad right now, so I'm not saying anything. But yeah, all I can say is that let it not get cancelled. Let it just happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
In
What's
fact,
the new?
I remember
Your web series. I mean, it was. I've not seen it, but we plan to see it because we love Z5. No. I'm being very honest. We love Z5. I love Z5. पता नहीं कितना I've seen, and then. Yeah, no, but I loved the trailer of it.
Thank you.
And even your accent, like the way you speak, ekdam bhaigiri mein na bhai.
I'm overwhelmed that you gave me 2.5 minutes of your life to watch it. Thank you so much.
I swear I will watch it.
Thank you so much, Neeti. You made my day.
No. But what's with you? What are you doing? You're doing movies and all. Aapka naam to bahut. Everywhere it's going. Everywhere you are. So what's happening?
Like you, I would like to say that let's just keep it the way it is right now, and then let's see, because kabhi na kabhi kuch bhi ho sakta hai. And again, it's a difficult process. It's not an easy one, and everything should fall into place. Everything. I mean, it's not one thing. There are 10 things we should come together